Welcome back to TechMan. This tutorial guides you through the process of converting USDT ERC20 to BNB using Trust Wallet. Launch the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Ensure you have the latest version of the app for optimal performance and security. Tap on the browser at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now from here, scroll down until you find PancakeSwap. Tap on that. After that, you'll be taken to this PancakeSwap Finance page. Then on the top part of the screen, tap on this icon on the top and select BNB. Now you'll see these categories on the top. Select Bridge over here. If you can find it from here, you can swipe left to see other options. On this page, you will need to select your token, and then you need to select your network. To select one, tap on the token on the top and select USDT. Now tap on the network and then select Ethereum. You can search on this one if you don't like scrolling. After that, let's head over to the token below. Tap on that and select BUSD on the options. Then on the network, it will be automatically selected once you choose BUSD. Now you need to enter the amount that you want to convert. Once the amount is selected, tap on the swap button on the bottom, and there you have it. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.